Hey guys, this video is about my DIY vintage Halloween arrangement. First, you get one of these cool plastic skulls, a mason jar, a Sharpie, and an X-Acto knife. And you just set the skull flat, trace the mason jar, and then cut it out. It's pretty simple. And then I just dumped out some crumbs there and set in my mason jar. My arrangement from Sam's Club came with some flower food, so I went ahead and added a little bit of that, not the whole packet, I don't know if it matters. And I just got some bright green and purple and white mums. And what I'm going to do is just kind of create a cluster of mums. It's all symmetrical. I put a little dab of green in the front. You can see the two spots of purple. Two green in the back and a purple in the back, and then I'm going to put another purple right on top. And I kind of wanted it to look like hair, so kind of create like a round formation. And then, I don't know about you, but I love adding faux flowers to real flowers. So I got these blue hydrangeas from the dollar store. I thought they looked really vintagey, and I just kind of put those around the border, kind of like almost like bangs or something. And then I got these cool fake berry picks, and I went ahead and added those symmetrically as well. I took a second to add in some more mums because I saw some spaces. Then I have these like, they're kind of like a vintagey white looking daisy, and I stuck those up a little bit higher above the mums. They kind of look a little wild and free, a little whimsical, and I loved how those stuck up above the mums. And then I got these really cool sprays. It's kind of like, reminds me of like a purple coral, and then these fake feathers. These boho feathers are so awesome. They're a little bit orange and black, so cool. And I put the feathers in symmetrically as well. Added a few more daisies to kind of stick up here and there and fill in the spaces. And I also put the purple coral picks in symmetrically around as well, kind of just to stick out and look a little bit wild and fun, a little bit scary. So that's it. Please subscribe and let me know what you think.